My name is Ted Goody, and I am the grain super here in Ireton.
Ryan Schoenfelder, I'm the Ireton Grain and Feed Location Manager. Ireton stands out from others in the area. I would say it's our customer service, which starts in the office, and then just the dependability about getting everybody in and out in a timely fashion.
People in and out, the people here in the office, are always very helpful. We always try to help people. Our customers come first.
Efficient, friendly, and reliable. On corn, we have 3 different dumps. We can do about 45,000 bushel of corn an hour. Beans, we run 2 different dumps. That's about 35,000 bushel an hour.
Well, we have 2.8 million in corn and 1 million in soybeans.
Usual wait time during harvest is about 10 to 15 minutes. Harvest hours, they'll vary anywhere from 7 a.m. to, if it's getting wet out and guys can't run, we'll close at 5, but it could be 7 at night, it could be 9 at night. We updated our grain dryer panels out back, so we'll be able to hopefully dry corn more efficiently that way. We also installed a new reversible belt conveyor up on top that will give us more versatility and be able to hit more bends with one spot.
Seeing all the farmers and seeing all the truckers too that you don't kind of just see once a year. I like seeing all those guys and talking to them.
The biggest challenge at harvest that we're good at solving, I would say, is if we see that one pit doesn't have many trucks there, we'll pull people out of line from a line in another pit and move them to the one that doesn't.
Moving grain around and putting grain and shipping stuff where we need to have it go, so we can create more capacity, so we can store more grain. Just really try to accommodate the customer and the farmer as quickly as we can, because we know that they got a combine setting out in the field waiting for them to get back. And so we try to speed them and get them through here as quickly and efficiently as we can.
Catching up with the customers and their hired help.
The customers, making sure everything's right with the customers.
The scale, because you're contending with feed trucks and grain trucks.
Scale.
Long days and short nights.
Yeah, it reminded me of when I used to help a farmer pick corn and stuff, and just the early sunrises and how pretty the sun is coming up.
Diana on the radio.
And when we hear corn to 3 every 5 seconds, beans to 5 every 3 seconds.
Caffeine.
Lunch. mine's coffee.
Coca-Cola.
Have a safe and plentiful harvest from everyone at Ireton.